we are going to learn some of the questions on finding the LCM of pair of numbers. That is from Enrich 4 of chapter 5, Factors and Multiples, page number 79, question number 6. In this question number 6, as we have already know that how to find the LCM and all, same questions they are asking. Find the LCM of following pairs of numbers of 25 and 50. That is the question number F. So in that question number F, they are given these two, as I have told, one is 25, another one is 55. To find the LCM, first we will write the multiples of the given number. So I will start writing the multiples of these two given numbers. So first I will find the multiples of 25. That is 25 into 1 is equals to 25. 25 into 2 is equals to 50. 25 into 3 is equals to 75. 25 into 4 is equals to 100. 25 into 5 is equals to 125. And next, we will find the multiples of this 55. So first one is 55 into 1 is 55. Next number is 55 into 2, which is the second multiple of 55. So that we find by multiplication. 5 into 5 is 10. 1 carry. 5 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. We got 55 into 2 as 110. And next same way we find the multiple of 55 is third multiple, that is by multiplication. 5 threes are 15, 1 carry. 5 threes are 15 plus 1, it is 16, which means third multiple of 55 is 165. And then we find the fourth multiple of 55. 5 into 4 20, 0, 2 carry. 5 into 4 20, 20 plus 2 22. And then we get 55 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So now here we got first 5 multiples of 25 and 55. We'll check the common multiple and then we will find the LCM. So 25 is not a common. 50, again it's not in this, it is not a common. 75 is here, 75 is also not here, which is also not a common. 100 again here it is not there, that is not a common. 125 is also not a common. When we don't get it, we have to write the multiples of smaller number till tens up. Okay, so that is 10 times. So we will find the sixth multiple of 25 just by multiplying. So it is 150, and 25's seventh multiple is 175. 25's eighth multiple is 200, and then 25's ninth multiple is 225, and 25's tenth multiple is 250. Now we will check, is there any common multiple in this or not from the sixth multiple. Sixth multiple is 150 here, that is also not a common. Next one is 175, that is also not a common. 200 is here, 200 is not there, that is also not a common. 250, again that is also not here. If it is not there, again we will go and find the another 5 multiples of 25. That is 25 into 11, we get it as 275. 25 into 12, we get it as 300. And I will write 25 into 13, which is 325, and 25 into 14, I will write it as a 350. And next is 25 into 15. If you do it, 300, 375. So now I will check the common multiples from that. We have checked already from till 10 times. Now I will check the 11th. 11th multiple of 25 is 275 and fifth multiple of 55 is 275, which means we got the first common multiple as 275. That is called as the smallest common multiple, and that only is called as the least common multiple or LCM of the given two numbers. So therefore, I will write least common multiple of 25 and 55 is equals to 270. So this way we'll find the LCM of given numbers. So let's take one more sum from the same question, that is H 15 and 150. As I have discussed in the previous, same way here also we will find the multiples of these two numbers. So first number is 15, so I will find the multiples of this 15. That is 15 into 1 is 15. 15 into 2 is equals to 30. And then I have to find the multiple of 15 into 3, which is 45. 15 into 4, which is 60. 15 into 5, which is equals to 75. 15 into 6 is equals to 90. 15 into 7 is equals to 105. 15 into 8 is equals to 120. 15 into 9 is equals to 135. 15 into 10 is equals to 150. And then I will find the multiples of 150 here. That is what? 150. 150 into 1 is equals to 150. 150 into 2 is equals to 300. 150 into 3 is equals to 450. Whatever we have written here 15 stable, for that I am writing the zeros, so I am getting this 150's multiple. So this way easily you can do it, finding the multiples of 150. 15 fours are 60 and 1 0 I will add, that will become 154 and 155 will be 750. Now I will check the common. As you can see here, 150 is here, 150 is here. So because of that, that is the smallest common multiple. So that is the called as least common multiple, or we will call it as first common multiple. So therefore, I will write here as what? Least common multiple is equals to in this way. So this way we'll find the multiples of the given just by writing the multiples of using the multiples and finding the common factor. I hope children you have understood how to find the multiples of the number. Thank you for watching.